Hey guys, Glen Murray Online. How are you? Hope you're doing well tonight. It is Sunday, August 30th. Wow, summer's almost over. Okay, affiliate marketing, easiest way to start in 2020. We're halfway through the year, guys. It's time to kick ass. And if you're home from work because of coronavirus, or you're like losing money, pay attention, give me 10 minutes, and I'll show you how to get started. And it's not going to ClickBank and getting an affiliate link and go posting it somewhere, and it's not going to Amazon and getting a link and trying to sell something on Amazon. Guys, those are great methods of affiliate marketing, but you need so much traffic for that stuff to work, guys, because there's so much, the competition is so high. I'm going to show you an easier way to be able to actually, when you want to sell those products, you're going to have a massive email list that you're just going to be able to send to instead of trying to go compete for those other products. Not saying you shouldn't build an organic traffic source, but if you're starting out, it's really hard to build that up right at the beginning. You're going to get frustrated, and people get frustrated because they don't make sales right away and they quit. So I'm going to make it so you're not going to quit right away, because you're going to start a system that's going to cost you a couple of bucks a day, and it's basically going to make sure that you start making income right away. You're going to see leads, you're going to see people going onto your list, and you're going to be able to actually get sales right away. It'll start out small, don't worry, but this is scalable to whatever degree you want. Plus, you're going to be able to market whatever you want to this list. All right, so affiliate marketing, easiest way to start in 2020. So forget ClickBank, forget JVZoo, Warrior Plus, and don't get me wrong, those are great platforms for products to sell. When you have a massive list, when you have no list and you're just starting out, and you go post your link one time in a Facebook group or anywhere like that, guys, you're a drop in the ocean, right? You'll see guys that are making $1,000 days on there. They're spending $1,000 on advertising to get that $1,000. Like, that's for real. Or they've built an organic traffic source because they've got a blog that has hundreds and hundreds of pages on it, and they just have a cookie cutter system of creating these blogs. Now, that's great. You should be doing that as well. But when you're starting out, that's a big hill to climb at the beginning. So what I want to do is I want to show you a much simpler way, easy, simple. It's literally, it's like filling out a couple of forms. It's like the stuff you had to fill out to join Facebook or get a Gmail account, and then it's just like ordering pizza. It's that simple. Okay. By the way, if you like videos of making money online, make sure you hit subscribe, notification, all that stuff. Again, my name is Glen Murray. My website is glenmurrayonline.com, or work with Glen Murray. You'll find me there. Okay. So let's get into exactly what I'm talking about. I'm talking about, let me just move my microphone here. I'm talking about this system right here. So this is a really cool generic list building system. And it starts out, there's a few stages to it, but the most important thing is when you click the link below the description here, because you're going to want to do it to check it out. The first thing you're going to be offered is something called the Millionaire Mastermind, and it's a $10 one-time fee. You're not paying for life, but it's a one-time fee, and that gives you that's basically going to give you training every single week for from 6 and 7 figure earners on how they're building not only this system but their own systems, and how they're using organic traffic and building organic traffic. So it's going to be totally for $10. You guys can't go wrong. You can be a member there forever, and you're part of our Facebook group and all that stuff. But the real magic is, and you can actually resell that one product, but the real magic is by setting up your autoresponder. And this system works with a couple different autoresponders. The one we recommend is SendShark, because you can put a ton of subscribers into it for a very low cost. It's the lowest cost, best value one for you. All this stuff is set up for you as well, guys, so you don't have to worry about anything. It's set up for you, so you just have to fill out the forms and stuff. So what you're going to do is you're going to come in here, dashboard, and you're going to go to fast start. Once you get your Millionaire Mastermind, now you're going to be offered some other deals. You could become a reseller, or you could do a 1-year subscription. It depends on where you're at. If you find value in it, you can do those at any time. There's no you're not going to lose out on anything by upgrading now or later. It doesn't work that way. So the first thing you want to do is you want to build your list. So you're going to set up your autoresponder, and this is what I'm talking about, guys. And this is the I'll show you the SendShark So this is the back office of SendShark, right? I've got 2,300 subscribers. This is one of my lists, guys. I also have Aweber, which I put other, I use for other programs, just because I started there. But I've got a few autoresponders, and as you get into affiliate marketing, you will probably have a couple of autoresponders, just because they all have an affiliate program on them, and if you're a good marketer, you can basically have them pay for themselves by just referring them. But I'm gonna talk about this. So right here, what you're going to get into once you start building your list and dropping in, like today I got 21 subscribers today, yesterday was 27. So what you'd want to do is you just go in here, right? And I'm just showing you how the autoresponder works. Create broadcast, and basically you would select your lists, like these are all the lists I have in here, and then you just write an email like hey, whatever you want. If you don't have any ideas for emails, we have what you get with your bonuses. Oh, do I have it in here? Yeah, what you get with your bonuses here is 1,000 emails, guys. 1,000 emails. And let me just quickly, let's see if I have it open here. One of the pages. Yeah, you see all my stuff here, guys. Window. No, I don't have it open. Okay. Anyways, you just download this, and there's 1,000 emails in there. So if you don't know what to write, right? So that's the other thing. So that's the autoresponder. So that's how you basically get to. That's how you're going to use it. And guys, once you start building that list, you can go get, like, once you have a couple thousand people on your list, go get a JVZoo offer, go get a Warrior Plus offer, go get a ClickBank offer, and then send it to your list, right? This is so cool, and you're going to keep marketing to that list. The next thing you want to do, if you want to, like, and right there, guys, you could just do that, right? Of course, you need to get traffic. So if you don't want to make high commissions, or you're on a budget or whatever, then you just jump down here and get traffic, right? So you go down here and you just order some traffic, and basically you just buy a package. Now the traffic that is sold here, guys, I will put you links for Udimi and Trafficforme, which are two of the top solo products that I buy. But this is where the best traffic is, guys. This stuff converts better than anything else that I've ever seen. Is it a little bit more expensive? Yes, but it converts. And this is what I'm talking about, calling for pizza, right? You can either go to Walmart and buy some frozen pizza, throw them in your oven and eat them. They're gonna taste like pizza. Or you can call your local pizza place and pay double, but how good is the pizza, right? So that's reality. Now, if you got some cash, if you got a bit of a budget, right, and you really want to kickstart this, and you want 90 days, you want to be making a substantial amount of money online, then you want to get into this. It's the high ticket commissions, and this is basically where you buy the traffic. You can actually become a reseller. So anybody that you refer to this system, anyone that's going to join your email list, is actually going to buy traffic, and you're going to make the commission, right? Because if you don't have this, then I would make the commission, because I'm an all-in user. So if you signed up under my link and someone bought traffic, then it would roll up to me, that commission, because you're not a traffic authority user. No problem, right? The next one, is having the whole list leverage system, right? So then, and you can see that I'm completely all in. Now, this costs you, I think, like, I figured it out. It's about 10, I think it's about $10 a day. No, is it 5? I think all in it was about $15 a day. Okay. And maybe you're going, $15 a day, Glenn. But guys, you can be having $100, $200, $300, $400 days. In fact, my direct upline just had a $3,600 day, and they have multiple $1,000 days. Now, they've been in it a lot longer than me, right? I'm having $20 to $50 to $100 days, but these guys are having huge days because they've been in it like about 6 months longer than I have. So it doesn't take long to get to those massive numbers. right? You just have to follow the system. And sort of, we have a hashtag in the Facebook group. This is really important too, joining the Facebook group. We have a hashtag in the Facebook group. It's called Feed the Machine. Feed the Machine. Now, when you put all this together, you just walk through, go for it, join the Facebook group. You're all in. You're going to be, and you got your traffic going. You are going to be set. Now, one thing I wanted to talk to you about that's really important is I actually have a rotator of some of that traffic that you saw, right from that, from Traffic Authority, is I'm putting my team people that are all in on a rotator. So you're going to be getting free traffic from me, from me to help for fuel your business, because I get compensated for it, right? So that's why, and I want you to stay in this business. I want you to have success. And it's just a part of, we can grow a larger team together. So I'm willing to do that. If you're willing to do the work on your end, I'm willing to do the work on my end to help you even more. And then it helps both of us together. So if you're interested in that, then grab the link below, run with me, but make sure you message me. You got to send me your username, your list leverage username, right? So when you get all signed up and everything, make sure you send me your list leverage username, and we'll get traffic going to you right away. You'll go into the rotator, but you do have to be all in. Like, you got to have your list leverage, you got to have your Sunshark, you got to have your Traffic Authority, and then once you're all in, then you will get into the rotator, and I'm going to help you get that traffic going to you. And that's it, guys. This is how easy it is for you to get started. So all that stuff talking about ClickBank and all those affiliate things, forget that. Build your list first and get paid for building your list. There's also something really cool in this system called ClickCash, where we get paid for our leads as they're marketed to. It starts out very low. It takes about 2 weeks before it kicks in. Like today, I made a couple of bucks, $2, right? But guys, that's free money. It's just free money. There's guys making $20, $30, $40 a day with that ClickCash, and that's just free money, right? And so there's another component to it. Anyways, that's all I have for you guys. Make sure you hit the subscription button, and I will talk to you later. Cheers. That's it. I think that's it. Click the link.